So took this apart because we needed to replace the key. My sister lost the key somewhere in like Lake Tahoe area, like in the woods, camping. So she lost the key, the only pair she had. And yeah, I had to take this out so that this guy, was able to program it, so he could program it. So after he programmed it, he brought it back today, and with this key also, that is this thing is not cut yet, but I think this part you can get it at the dealership. See, still not cut, but I'm pretty sure we could buy this at the dealership, which is not going to be hard. But the worst part about it is what I call the dealer. They told me I had to tow the car to them. Even after I order the key, I have to tow the car to them so that they can, I don't know what they gotta do to it. I guess turn it on, set it up, or whatever the deal may be. But I was like, no, heck no, because this is a 4MATIC and it's impossible to get this. Well, not impossible. You gotta get a special towing to tow this. But just a regular flatbed with a winch, whew, it is not easy. All wheels are stuck and it won't go into neutral. So now I want to connect the wire into this thing so I can move this, try to move this up. That'll make it easier for me to put this back in there. Do a switch of the key. Okay, see, now the blinkers are on. Okay, oh, I think that thing just moved. Okay, let's turn the blinkers off. There you go. Oh, there it is. Blinker off. Okay. Now, steering wheel. There it is. Look at that. Nice. Try to turn off the key. Okay, sweet. Can I pull it out? Yes. Okay, there it is. That'll give me some room to put it back in. Sweet. In the steering wheel, these ridges, one right here, they also go line in line with this one and this one. See, the skinnier, slimmer ones in the bottom, and the wider one, and the bigger one on the side. Alright, Tina, watch this. Woohoo! It started. Turn on the lights. Bam! Light works. Now let's try to drive it. Drive. Okay. The hood is open. Just going enough to make sure everything works. Perfect. Perfect. The airbag's on. I know that. Obviously. Due to that. Let's turn.